This is our route for today. We have about 9.5 hours, 48 nautical miles. This is the spot we're going to, Buyukcemece, and it's pretty protected from all directions. Sand and seagrass. There's a marina nearby, a beach, good reviews, and then weather. We are here and we're going just here, this spot. So 6 is now, 9, 12, 3, 6 again. So calm weather all the way through. Let's go. Alright, so I just discovered another thing that I need to deal with when I go to Istanbul, and luckily I got it on time. Let me show you what I mean. There is this screw here, this one, and it's holding the mast, the entire mainsail, alright, from moving from side to side. It's this one, and I saw this end was a little bit out, so I took you know, the screw thing here, and I started, you know, I wanted to put it inside, just put it back inside, and then I realized this end is not moving, and then I realized it's broken. Somehow it's still inside. Maybe it's broke, I don't know, like in the middle, but it's still holding. But when I move it, when I move this side is not moving. Luckily I got it now, because if the sail was open and like in a windy day, that could mean yeah, not good things. So anyway, I'm just gonna secure it now, and once I'm in Istanbul I'm gonna get the proper screw and and fix it. Luckily I got it now. Gonna leave it like this for today. Not gonna open the mainsail for sure. They're gonna change it once we arrive. As the sun is now out, and yesterday I showed you like the alternator is not charging the battery, and the sun is still not out, and yesterday was also the entire day was without sun. I want to show you my battery situation. It's 11.7, and yeah, hopefully the sun is gonna come out soon. The only thing that's using a good amount of battery now is the autopilot, but for now it's like with this amount of voltage it's okay. I just hope the sun is gonna come out soon.
Set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day. Myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
The dinghy first, and then gonna try and head to the Marina, see if I see any mechanic shops, electrician shop. Try to get this one sorted, like first thing. first thing I'm going to say is it's nice to see people. On my way to the Marina now. I'm gonna hopefully find someone to come and take a look at my boat. Basically I need an electrician, and mechanic is optional, but I would like to get them both tomorrow, hopefully. I need an electrician. Tell me.
Okay, but I speak English.
Speak English?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Alright, I got a number. Fatih. I'm gonna see what he says now. Send him a text and I will keep looking for the Marina office.
Kendisi tekne sahibi.
Hello?
We don't have a technical team.